In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging hover effect using the Wix editor. Hover effects can add a dynamic touch to your website, making it more interactive and visually interesting for your visitors. So, without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get this fantastic feature on your site. First, open up the Wix editor, where you'll have access to an array of options. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a button labeled Add Elements. This is your starting point for adding various design components to your site. Once you click this, you'll see many options, but we're going to focus on Box and select Hover Boxes. These hover boxes are pre-designed elements that can bring movement and style to your pages. You can either click one and drag it onto your page, or start from scratch by adding a blank box. This lets you decide how much creative control you'd like over the design process. Once your hover box is added to the page, you'll want to customize it to fit your brand or personal style. Simply click on the newly added hover box, and you'll see options to modify its look. To start customizing, click Design, and then Customize Design. Here, you can play around with the fill color, adjust the border, smooth out the corners, or even add a shadow. These small tweaks can really help in aligning the box with the overall theme of your website. The next step is to make adjustments to the hover state itself. Click on the box again, and you'll be presented with more options. You'll then click on the Hover tab, or Hover Effect icon. This is where the magic happens. You're now in hover mode, where you can make creative decisions about how the hover box behaves when someone places their cursor over it. Feel free to add animations such as grow, shrink, or rotate, giving your box a more dynamic presence. Consider changing the background color to something that will make other elements pop, or add an eye-catching new image. You have the option to incorporate additional elements like text or buttons that will only appear when hovering over the box. It's a perfect way to subtly give more information or direct your users without cluttering your site. Low clutter often translates to a better user experience. Lastly, don't forget to adjust the timing for these effects through the control options. This feature allows you to decide how long the effect lasts and whether there's any delay before starting. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted hover effect that can captivate your visitors and enhance their browsing experience on your site. With just a few simple steps, your Wix website can have that modern interactive feel that keeps users engaged. Happy designing!